Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Hess Mountain Homeschool, and I'm obviously a hot mess. I've been up since 5 trying to clean and then get stuff ready for the school day. There aren't kids in here yet. They're all awake though, and I've set out stuff for them because if I don't do that, then I have to hear them ask 732 times how many worksheets they're having, what are we doing today, etc. So it's on their desk. They kind of know. So I was gonna kind of bring you along. I'm not sure how well that'll work. We'll see what we can do. But yeah, so stick around. Another thing I thought I would add is that if you saw the pictures from yesterday, we dressed up for the first day of school. That's it, just for pictures. So yeah, they're in PJs and such today. There's absolutely no point to have them dressed. It's just more work that I don't have to do if I don't want to. So we're not going anywhere today. No need to get out of the PJs unless they want to. So Oakland was into counting this morning. She knows how to count. We started with Spanish because that's what she actually wanted to hear. And then somehow stumbled on Blippi again because we love Blippi. This is way below her age level technically. I mean, not age level, but like where she's at. But she likes it and it's fun, so I'm okay with that. Okay, so I'm not going to show you that, but that's our address, and I'm going to have him write it 10 times just to kind of memorize it. And I've got him a list. He's got certain worksheets, and then he'll know as he goes through it what to do, but this is kind of his day's work. We did some of that yesterday. We like to do him on this because you do it on a separate sheet of paper, and he likes to play at the whiteboard. He's got to write his spelling words out, and he'll have a worksheet in language arts today as well. And then he has a Bible worksheet for to get points or candy at church. So that is 4th graders' work for the day so far. This is my 2nd grader. Okay, so he's got to write his spelling words, the same thing. He's going to do it on there because they'd prefer that. He also has the address that he's got to write 10 times just to memorize our address. He's got a math worksheet. I like to spread stuff out so we don't do all of it every day. And then he's got a language arts. So I think that's, yeah. Preschooler. Okay, so technically she did most of her preschool work last year. So we kind of are using the kindergarten stuff, but we're going over, since it's just the 2nd day, we're going over the things that, like, I'm gonna let her write these out just because she likes to use these. Everyone likes to use these. Have her count to 100. Just easy stuff, days of the week, she knows. We're all working on the months just because it's been a little break and they forget. She knows all the sounds of the vowels. That she has down 100%, but we're gonna try with all the letters. Most of my kids have the same problem as the Y. They all want to say it says "wa" instead of "yeah." I mean, not anymore, but when they start. And I'm trying to think of the other one. The G, we start with the "g" in most things, and they all want to say "ja." And then the C, she's got the C down pat that it says "ka" to start with. So, but we're gonna work on the sounds just to kind of go back to where we were, which she, like I said, she knows most of them. These give a picture to remember them by, and that, I think that's amazing because it helps later. This is what we'll be going over today. We'll be going over regular shapes, just stuff that she, just to kind of brush up on everything. Instead of taking you along, I figured I'd just show you kind of what they're doing today. Some more just cute ways to look at things. This is just the back, and like they don't always go together. So that just happens to be the back, but this is what we're going over today. And she'll have a few worksheets. I haven't pulled them out yet. She's big on worksheets, so I have to get her like 3 because she'll absolutely pout if the boys have more. We're working on handwriting. Obviously, she is 4, so we got to start that. My sister made these. Let me get them out for you. Okay, we have no particular like start time, finish time. We start when everyone's awake, had their baths, brushed their teeth, depending on which kid wants to do that. Then some like it in the evening, but 2 of mine like morning baths. And then we just finish as we go, like as they leave. Also, I didn't add in there that they all will read a book except my youngest. So they'll all read something no matter what. It may be a reader, but they're more keen to read things they like. So I let them choose sometimes as long as it's the same amount. So first off, does anyone remember the month?
July.
July. Does anyone remember the date? If yes,
27.
right, 27th. And the year?
2021.
Nice. Okay, good job. Good job. Let's see, what season is it?
Summer.
Summer. Sissy,
What?
if today is Tuesday, what do you think? Yes.
Wednesday.
Huh?
Wednesday.
Yes, tomorrow would be Wednesday, but what was yesterday?
Monday.
There you go. So what's before Tuesday?
Monday.
There we go. And what's after Tuesday?
Monday.
What's after Tuesday?
Monday.
What's after Tuesday? Stop it. What's after Tuesday?
I don't know.
Sunday, Monday. Okay, just sing me the days of the week.
I
Just,
don't know.
just sing them. Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Good job. There's that. All right. No more. Waylon finds it way too easy, but it's the beginning, so it gets harder, right? Eventually, no, yeah. Waylon thinks everything's way too easy.
Mine's definitely way harder.
Way harder. He does have big old problems over there. So they did a big step up in 4th grade, didn't they?
The back. Actually, I'm just in I forgot the back. But I don't know.
And then a dot.
Mama.
Good job. We have popcorn and juice and everything too. Oakland's writing her name. Waylon's just eating. Sally's over there sneezing and doing some math. God bless you. That's exactly how they want you to
I
do it.
messed up on slides a lot, but I didn't.
Good job.
Mama.
Perfect, sis.
You broke your eye. It's actually an 8. It's actually an 8. You broke your eyes. You said it was an S.
You said it was an S.
No. P.
That is a P, so make it say pen.
Pin.
So slide it till it says pen.
Penny.
What's it say?
Penny.
It does not say
I
pen.
don't know.
It says pen.
They're listening to music in the hat. In the hat.
Hey, Oakland, can you make this say cap? We have app. What would the letter we need to make it say cap?
C.
There we go. Good job. All right. Let's do, now I see the way you need to do. Okay, we need this to say bag. What letter do we need to make that say bag?
W.
That says wag. What says b?
All the way to the top.
What letter's that?
B.
For bag. Good job. You're getting good at this. Okay. This needs to say hot. Now, this is your hardest letter. It needs to say hot. Nice, Oakland. Okay. Let's see. This, have we done these? Let's do, okay.
There we go.
This needs to say jet. And this is a hard one because they're going to try to trick you.
Jet.
It needs to say jet. That says get. Nice. Okay. Let me mix these up.
Mama. Right when I was writing 9, you were like, 9.
This needs to
I
say
thought you were going to say 9.
rug. Rug.
Where's our There it is.
Good job.
What's B? B. 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 B.
On the bee. It's hiding in them. Did you find it? Yep, pick it up. Take it to your A.
Yay!
A, B. What do we need next?
C. I just need C to be in my family.
All right, where are we at? L, M, N.
Wait, do I switch places with this?
No, that's right.
Now O.
Good job. Why'd you need my help? Oh, you were just seeing if you needed to switch them? Yeah, no, you're good. You got it right.
So where's O?
I-
E, F, D, H, I, J, K, L, N, N, O, O. I need P! Pretend with me.
Good job.
P starts with pencil.
Go under the I so you can start another one.
Look, Mama. P starts with pencil.
Nice. Very clever. Put the P under the I.
We lost two of them, so I think so. Guys, I lost you. Wait, I said I need you. This is you. But I said I need you.
You're so smart.
Duck.
Yeah, what do you hear in duck?
Duck.
Do you hear
No, I hear duck.
Well, I mean inside it, silly goose.
Oh, yeah, I hear
T-U.
V.
Find it. Judah's helping you.
Is this? I never see if this is our right address.
Okay, I'll try.
W. Thank you, Judah. Find it.
W, X. You got all kinds.
Z. So,
T-U.
so. What? Wait.
T.
Where do I go?
Q-R-S. T-U.
V.
There you go.
W. X. Y. And
Stop, Waylon. Go back to the classroom.
Aww.
You did it! Where did they go? There's a yak, but you gotta flip him. Y and
Z.
yay, Oakland! Victory dance. Let's see a victory dance, Oakland. Show me a dance for getting it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Doing some cursive, Sawyer?
Mm-hmm.
Is cursive hard?
Yes.
Fantastic, I like it. Fair enough.
I'm doing all this work to read one of my favorite books. School is my arch
I like it.
At least I get to read one of my favorite books.
Which book are you reading today?
This one.
Show everybody. Hold it
I'm
up.
reading this one.
Oh yeah, it's a good book.
See, again, I started at 25, so I could. This is the start?
I was just looking at your paperweight.
Well, thanks guys for watching. And that wasn't the end of learning, that was just the end of recording.
Subscribe!